Everyone, welcome out to Silverback Street Performance. So in the last video we did a walk around back here at the park still, doing our thing. So you can see some of the upgrades we have. This is the recently installed 65mm BBK throttle body with the stated throttle body spacer. Epic sounds, man, epic sounds. You got the MAP cold air intake. We have MAP intercooler. We got MBRP cold and hot and cold charge pipes. We got the Mishimoto radiator fluid reservoir. We got some blue Mishimoto silicone hoses. Got some Ford Performance badging there, custom badging. We got the billet caps for all of our fluids. We got the dipstick. We got the billet oil cap. We got billet fuse box cover. We got the Ford Performance. We got the Ford Performance struts for your hood struts. So we still do have the stick, but you know, we do got the struts. So we're at least the car's looking the way it should have come from the factory. Added the little engine dress up for the side. A lot of these pieces we had to get that, you know, it seems like it should have come stock, but obviously didn't. But, you know, this is my own custom build. EcoBoost 4-cylinder delete. Purple Drink Pro Tune with the purple. And we're going to do a sound clip here in a bit so you can see what that sounds like. Hey, welcome back everybody to Silverback Street Performance. We all set up here so we can do this sound clip. So we're going to do two. One of them is going to be from the engine side. One of them is going to be from the exhaust side. And we're going to do a couple of revs so y'all can see what we're working with here and go from there. So stay tuned. Yeah, that was under the engine. Now we're about to cut over to the tail. So that's what we sounding like. Thanks for joining. Enjoy the ride.